Okay, this is day 5 warm-up. Linear relations, day 5 warm-up. Okay, number 1. The temperature at 9 a.m. was negative 24 degrees in Pinedale, Wyoming. The temperature increased 5.6 degrees each hour until 3 p.m. What was the temperature at 3 p.m.? How'd y'all go about doing that? Yeah.
So you'll do negative 24.
Okay.
Times 5.6. I think. Would that be right?
Not quite.
Divide it?
Okay. First thing you've got to decide is how many hours in between. If it increases at 5.6 each hour, we've got to know how many hours the temperature increased by, right? So if it's 9 a.m., you go 9, you've got to 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. That's 6 hours, right? So you've got a time period. It's not 6, 7. It's 6 hours. You got a time period of 6 hours, okay? And how much did the temperature increase by each hour?
45.
Nope. I circled it.
5.6.
5.6. So if it increased 5.6 degrees for 6 hours, then we're going to multiply that. Yes?
Yes.
6 times 6, 36. Carry my 3. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 3 is 33. Okay, then I count my decimal. So from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m., the temperature increased 33.6 degrees. Okay, so if it was at negative 24, then you have negative 24 plus 33.6. Okay, like this. Now, I'm going to flip this. Same signs add, different signs subtract. So I've got 33.6 minus 24.0. Drop down my decimal. Same sign, keep the sign different.
What?
Same sign, keep the sign different. Keep the. Okay, come on, 6th graders. Same sign, keep the sign different. Keep the larger. Okay, so the temperature at 3 p.m. was. Yeah, I used a different song. 9.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so at 9 a.m., the temperature was negative 24 degrees. It increased 5.6 degrees each hour for 6 hours. So it increased 33.6 degrees. So then we took negative 24 plus 33.6. Same signs add, different signs subtract. Same sign, keep the sign different, keep the larger. So, or same signs add and keep, right? Different signs subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number, then you'll be exact. Okay, so the answer should be 9.6 degrees Fahrenheit.
Oh, hey, that first one I actually did get right.
Look at you go. All right, number 2. Okay, determine the solution set to the inequality. Negative 4.5x plus 9 is greater than 11.25.
Minus 9.
Yep, minus 9.
11.25 minus 9, which would be 2.25.
Okay, hold on. Make sure you line up your decimals when you're adding or subtracting. A lot of you went and put 9 under the 5. That is not right. Okay, so I have 5 minus 0 is 5. 2 minus 0 is 2. 11 minus 9 is 2. Drop my decimal down. So I have negative 4.5x is greater than 2.25. Now what, Corbin?
So now we would divide. No, would you divide it?
You tell me.
Yeah, you would divide 1.5.
Negative 4.5.
Negative 4.5.
Okay.
Divided by 2.25.
Okay, so 2.25 is going in the house. Negative 4.5 here. Okay, there's a decimal on the outside, so what do I got to do, Becca? Yeah, move it to the end. So however many times I move it in on the outside, I have to move it on the inside and then come up here. Okay, so 45 will not go into 22, but it will go into 225. How many times do you think? Okay, let's see. 5 times 5 is 25. Oh, look at you. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 2 is 22. I mean,
5. So
yeah.
0.5.
Well, I guess 45. I didn't have to do it.
0.5.
Yeah, you did.
I just guessed.
That was a good guess. That was a good guess. All right, so then we have x is greater than Okay, a positive divided by a negative is a what? A positive divided by a negative is a, okay, sixth graders, same,
Same sign. add
no,
subtract.
same signs, different signs. Okay,
So what songs do you teach?
I'm teaching them all the songs.
We only got taught 2 songs last year.
Well,
Same
we
song.
learned that.
And they're the ones I actually remember.
Okay.
Now what's the answer? Hang on.
Oh my goodness. Are you paying attention?
Somewhat.
I hope so.
And then was there?
Yeah.
Oh, you can.
Yeah. Okay. Maria's saving money for a road trip. She opened an account with $150 deposit. So did she start with 0 or did she start with 150?
She started with 150.
Yep. And then she will deposit $25 each month.
So that
Okay.
means she'll take out
So
100.
create a graph to represent Y, the balance in Maria's account after X months. So let's create, so we've got Y and we've got X. I mean, we got X and Y, sorry. X is months. Y is her balance. Okay, Corbin, you said she started with how much?
150.
150. So she didn't start with $0. Okay, so at week 0, she started with $150. Okay, week 1, she would deposit how much? How much did she deposit? 25. Okay, 25 each month, right? Okay, so you would add 25 to 150, which is going to be what? 150 plus 25 is 175.
175.
Okay, week 2 or month 2, sorry, is going to be 200.
And then 225.
Week or month 3, sorry, I keep saying week, it's month, 225.
And then
Month 4 is going to be 250. So we'll stop there. Okay. So it says plot 2 points on the coordinate grid. So we can do 0 and 150. That's fine. And then you can pick any of these, I'm pretty sure. But we have our table here. And then we'll do 2 and 200. Okay. And then we're going to draw a line to connect the points. And I'm pretty sure that's all you have to do. You could plot any of these points. So 1 and 175, 3 and 225. You can do any of these. My line's kind of off.
Wait,
Sorry.
This is on like the, what's it called? The thing? I don't know. how to
Online.
do it.
Yeah. On your, when you submit it.
How would I do that?
I think that's it. That's all you have to do. You just have to do 2 points and then connect it.
Can I do this
Yeah,
next
it's
one?
different on our computer.
It's really weird. It won't let me put anything down.
Okay. Let me see.
No, you have to click the 2 arrows that face outwards.
So you have to click the 2 dots and then, yeah, you did it. That's all you have to do.
I thought we had to do all this.
No, you just have to plot 2 points. Yeah, plot 2 points. Okay, so you can plot any of these right here. All right, number 4. What is the solution set for the inequality negative 4x plus 19 is less than or equal to 11? So what do we do first?
Minus 19.
Yep, minus
Oh, negative
19.
8.
Okay, so then you have 11 minus 19.
Negative 8.
Okay, it's going to be, you can do keep, change, same signs, add, different signs, subtract. So that's going to be, and then keep the sign of the bigger number. Then you'll be exact. So that's going to be negative 8. So I have negative 4x is less than or equal to negative 8. Okay, now what?
Now you
divide
multiply.
negative 4.
Yep, divide by negative 4. Divide by negative 4. So what do you remember about inequalities?
Don't you click the sign if it's 2 negatives?
If you divide by negative, which we did here, right? You have to flip it. Yeah, that's right. So you have to flip it. Okay.
Number
So x is greater than or equal to
number 2 is
2.
wrong. Isn't it X? Yeah, but the other-
Oh yeah, hey, rewind. Hey, we forgot to do that up here. We forgot to flip our signs.
So what are we wrong?
Remember you divided by negative here? Up here on number 2,
I thought it was two negatives.
Yeah.
it's not 2 negatives. It's if you divide by negative. So here we divided by negative 4.5, divided by negative 4.5. So that's actually here.
Wait, there's no.
Yeah.
Is that 12?
Where?
Where?
You're going to have to come closer to the board. Okay. Make sure you did flip the sign here before you submit. Okay.